See here, first non-metal which I have spoken in the previous slide, that is carbon. It is one of the non-metal. Okay students, next come to the next part. You see, sulfur is a non-metal. You might have seen this sulfur in the laboratory. Yes or no? It is a non-metal which can be made powdered easily, but metals cannot be powdered easily. So this is another quality found in the non-metals, or we can say property of the non-metal. Now chlorine. You see the chlorine. This is a chlorine non-metal which is kept in the bottle. This bottle contains the chlorine gas. We cannot keep in the open, otherwise it will be not available with us because it is in the gaseous form. So we have filled it in the bottle. Okay children, now come to the next part. Metals, the physical properties. Let us discuss the physical properties of the metals. Okay, malleability. First is malleability, ductility, sonorosity, lustrous, conductivity means they are conducting the heat and electricity, density of the metals, melting point and boiling point, heaviness and hardness. So first property, let us see about the metals. What is the first property? What is the first property? Malleability. What is malleability? Malleability means if you take the metals, metals can be beaten into thin sheets. A small piece of the metal if you take and heat it, or you can beat directly, then you can find that we are able to convert it into the thin sheets. It is because of the property of the non-metal which is metals, which is known as malleability. So we can say metals are malleable. Okay, next to that, ductility. What is ductility? What is the ductility? See here in this diagram, it will be clearly visible to you that metals are ductile. It means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Because of this property, a wire is made up of metal. Okay, see the copper metal, and it is converted into the wire. If you take the wood, wood cannot be converted into the wire. Any non-metal, sulfur cannot be converted into the wire. Okay, so this is because of the property of the metals. These can be drawn into thin wires because they have this property. Because of that, they are known to be ductile in the nature. Okay students, I think clear.